Hello everybody, this might be a weird angle, but it's the only way I knew how to show you under the car because I don't own a lift yet. Anyways, I just wanted to show you the latest updates on the Mustang. I just got it back from a chassis shop. They installed the Marilat Racing torque boxes. As you can see, there's the upper box. And there's the lower boxes. Got their control arms as well. A lot more of adjustability on these, as you can see there. And it's just good for the structure of the car. That's the weakest point in the Mustang for the most part. Also, I don't have my new rear end under the car yet, so it's not hooked up. This is an old, crusty 8.8 under here right now, but they also hung the Team Z anti-roll bar. That's the removable anti-roll bar, as you can see there. Pretty handy. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys the latest and greatest progress on the car. Show you a little hiccup I had. They went ahead and put the control arms on while I was at the chassis shop, and got the control arms from Marilat Racing. They sent me these, which are for like a 9-inch, and I didn't notice until after the chassis shop had actually installed them. And but anyways, I emailed Marilat Racing, told them what happened. They knew right away what happened, and they said, we'll get your new ones next day aired to you. These are the ones for an 8.8. That's what goes over the bushing on the housing, and that's what goes into the new torque boxes. So yeah, double adjustable rear control arms, upper and lowers from Marilat Racing. Boxes also from Marilat Racing. If you guys know anything about Marilat Racing or have seen any of his products, you know he does very good work. All of his welds are super nice. If you haven't seen this car before, this is the front of it currently. It's completely gutted right now. It's getting caged next, but that's a Team Z Chromoly strut towers forward kit. And typically this bar would go up here for the headlight mounts and stuff, but it's a Flaming River manual steering rack with a steering shaft, UPR billet caster camber plates, and it's just gutted inside right now. I got the dash out, about to take the carpet out, and gonna order the Team Z 10-point cage, I believe. But like I said, if you haven't seen this car before, last year I sold the 2-valve out of this car and bought a Coyote for it. It's at Exigent Solutions right now. I think it's in the machine shop now. It should be done soon. Rods, pistons, factory crank, good ARP studs everywhere. Nothing too crazy, but still should make a lot of power. It's going to be a single turbo car. And yeah, I'll just take videos as I go. Hopefully next time you see this car, it'll be caged, possibly have the engine back. I have a, if you're familiar with 10 soldiers, I have a 10 soldiers battle ready 8.8 for this. That's getting thrown together right now. It's got 35 spline axles. It's got a full spool. So actually next video you'll see, it'll probably be us installing that. I'm going to order some, hopefully, they're a little expensive. I'm going to order some nice single beadlock RC comps for this car. So next video you should see it rolling around on those. I also have back here in this mess of a garage, don't mind that, it's not mine, but back there in that garage I have a RPM built Turbo 400 for this car. So that's where this car's headed, if it sounds interesting to you. And also we're going to post a video here soon of my buddy Ryan. You can see his car on the channel and other videos. It's a Cadillac CTS V1 stick shift car. Just had a big day at the track last weekend. It's technically now, if you follow any of the V pages, I believe it's the second fastest stick shift V period. So we'll post an update of that car, what's all happened to it this year. He's been through a lot, where it's headed, what he's done. So if all this sounds interesting to you, please go ahead and watch the other videos and subscribe, and we'll be getting some more up. So thanks.